Okay, today we have a special guest here, my brother. And today we're trying
exotic
fruits, my mom would say.
From like China.
Yeah.
I bought these all the way from there. How are they not rotten from China?
Okay.
Wait. So can I introduce myself?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So anyway, my name is Harlan. Sister thing, ponytail. Alright. Anyway, let's get to the fruits.
Woo!
So I'm gonna try this one.
I'm gonna try this one too.
Wait, hold on a second.
Let's tell them about them.
This is like the back, so
yeah.
And our mom didn't tell us the names of these, so I guess I'm gonna guess.
So this one is a Pokeball of exotic.
I'm gonna call this one Pocahontas.
Pocahontas
of the Blittery. All right, let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Let's try that again.
Sweet. It's good.
Tell them about it.
So, it's sweet.
Very sweet.
Yeah.
It's got
And it has like, I don't know what that
stick from the park in the middle of it.
What is it similar to? Any kind of fruit you've had?
Feels like a frog.
It's wet.
Oh.
Very
Majestic. Hopping away.
Would you eat the whole thing or would you not?
No, I wouldn't.
Well, it looks like you are.
Oh, I got 3 bark.
Okay, don't. Okay, what would you give it out of 1 to 10?
I would give it like an 8.
Okay,
I
good
would
job.
give it a.
Dang, you tore it up.
I would give it a.
Can you show them what it looks like before it gets cut open to eat? Hold up one of the ones.
No, before it gets cut up.
Yeah. Let's see. Hold it up together.
Pocahontas.
Let me see. I'm gonna zoom in, guys. Let
I'm
me
gonna
see.
smell this. I don't know.
Oh, good job, sis. That looks like Pokeballs we used to have in our backyard.
Ow, my nose.
Oh,
Oh yeah, that does hurt.
Big Squidward
like
nose.
sea urchins. Okay, what's next, guys?
This one.
Dragon fruit.
Yeah.
Dragon fruit. I'm gonna eat the one.
You think it's
This one
dragon
because I
fruit?
have-
You don't-
Yeah.
what do you
No,
know?
okay, yeah.
Either one.
Hurry up.
Well, first of
Okay.
all, give it rate. Talk about what like it feels
So
like.
it feels it looks like kind of like a
Like
watermelon.
if you stuck an orange and then put like whiteness around it, it's like smiling. Well, anyway, let's dig in.
It's smiling.
I'm gonna have the other one.
It's kind of sour.
I
I
know.
like it.
You can try the other one without the rind.
Oh, it's so sour.
Sour?
It's
Yeah.
good. So I like it.
Does it taste like any other? Like, does it taste like an orange?
Oh yeah, it does
feels like
like
it.
it. It feels like it.
It's pink though, huh?
Yeah.
It's prettier than an orange, but it's sour. Ooh, I love that face. Let's see it up close and personal. It's Sissy TV. Ooh, yeah.
Orange.
Okay.
Watermelon.
What would you rate it?
Wait, what?
The taste of this
Would you
is so
rate it?
powerful. It's gonna steal your channel.
What would you rate it? Ooh,
I would rate it
coming up.
I would rate it a 3. I mean a 4. A
Okay.
4.
That's
I'm
pretty good.
giving it a 10.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I need.
Well,
Forget it.
there's towels behind you guys.
Oh.
Why don't you grab one?
You don't even know where I'm hitting.
You know you have legs and stuff. Grab a towel, Bibs.
I'm stealing
There's
this.
2 towels. Just keep them there, you guys. It's fine.
Okay.
Bring them over. Okay. What's next? I think you should save the worst for last and the scariest.
What's the
That
worst?
one.
The
That
scariest.
one looks like
It
it has
looks-
boogers.
It looks like it has things growing
It
in.
looks like it has like.
I'm gonna.
If you lit, you know.
Oh wait, we didn't name this one.
Oh
You already said grapefruit to
I
start.
would call
Watermelon sour head.
it watermelon sour head.
Okay, perfect.
What do you name
The sesame seed bar.
it? Okay.
Sesame seed, barra.
Yeah.
And we named this
Right.
one.
We have to eat it first to see. It looks like a smile.
Good.
I like this one.
Which one is that?
Wait.
Show them on the counter which one that is. Point it out. Is it that?
Oh
Yeah, it is. Let's see what the sticker
What's
says.
that?
No, it's this one.
No, this one.
This is that. This
This
is
is
that
that
one.
No, it's
And
not.
this is that.
Turn them over.
Look.
Turn it over to see.
See?
Let me see. Oh God. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, you're right.
See, we're smarter than my mom.
Ooh, smarter than a fifth. Are you smarter than a fifth grader?
More like a 27.
Even though you guys are like a A. Even though you
I'm
guys are
gonna
not-
gobble this up real quick.
Okay. Can we talk about that sweater you're wearing?
What?
Can we talk about that sweater you're wearing? Can you do a little shimmy shake on that sweater? Ooh, Glitter Town, USA.
I'm
Okay.
gonna eat this.
Love. Wait, that's not even the challenge. Is that the one? Okay, you love that? You eating two? She's eating two. Okay, this is number one so far, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is your guys' like second or third piece. So what is it?
Oh, that's memory.
This is the sesame seed bun.
Okay.
Your
these
name's
names are-
Number two.
Oh my God.
This is
It's your favorite, so it's got to be something good.
it's
Jeff.
First, we chew with our mouth closed, though, because people will not watch our video.
His name is Jeff. Done.
How about Patrick SpongeBob Pineapple Head?
okay, sure.
That's hers. Mine is
Jeff.
Jeff the Third.
Okay. But there is no two other ones.
Okay, whatever. All right, now here we go.
Oh!
This is time for the test of the.
I'll hold it up.
I
I'll
think
hold
I
it up.
would call that a puke ball.
I think it's
Slime Ball.
a booger-a-tastic eat-a-burger.
It looks like some app you've had. You know those apps where you have to clean out the guy's boogers out of his nose?
Oh, yeah.
That
Look at that.
Okay,
It
that's
was
good.
like so...
Oh, it's
Okay, so I got a spoon, so I really don't know how people eat them. If somebody,
Ew, it looks like
hey,
there's
listen,
eyeballs.
if people would like to comment,
kinda
hey, if people would like to comment on your channel and tell us the real names of these, right?
Yeah.
And how we should actually be eating them, and maybe how we can cook them or put them in with our foods. Would you like them to comment on your
Yeah,
videos
sure.
to help us?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll check
three,
it.
two, one,
Wait,
start.
and here's
We'll do what?
And here's the thing. That's
Okay, that's
not
it?
cut.
Sour.
Okay, what's the texture like?
It looks like eyeballs.
Mushy. You're about to turn this off her face too. I told you.
Is it like good but sour?
No.
Or like you ate a person's something? Okay, that one got a bad review. Oh, so.
No, it's your stinky.
Know
Oh.
that. Was that your barf bucket?
Yeah.
You guys are very smart.
I'm just gonna gobble it up.
Okay, so that's everything. So I want to know what was your first favorite all the way to your
Yeah,
fourth. No, do not do that. Stop. Because in the comments they're going to tell us how we should eat it and then we'll have extras to do. The Sissinators are going to tell us. Remember?
Sissinators?
Yeah, her fans.
Oh
Her
yeah.
fans, they dubbed themselves the Sissinators.
Wow.
Yeah, they said that themselves. They want to be the Sissinators. So, Sissinators, if you're out
This
there
is my
listening
favorite.
and you're from China, Japan, Hong Kong, Wong Kong, we don't know. Okay.
Great words.
Okay, tell us what number is number one. What got number one?
This one.
The SpongeBob Patrick Pineapple Head?
This one.
Okay, number three. Okay, what's number two? Grapefruit?
Yeah, I think I like this.
No, I like this one.
Okay, so she likes the Pokeball cream stuff.
This
She
one's
likes the Pokeball eyeball.
This one's third.
So
Which
the-
one's third?
Last.
Where's third?
And third
The-
for me, this one.
Okay, and
This
then
one-
last but not least is the eyeball soup.
Eyeballs.
I think those were fish eyes.
I just realized that you.
Okay, I think we're done.
Bye guys, Sissy TV.
Wait, hold on. I gotta take one more bite on camera.
Bye guys. Bye guys, it's Sissy TV. Like it, and